Hi, what's up? Hope doing well. This is Sharif with another brand new episode of our recent Cyprus visit. Actually, Cyprus has so much to offer visitors, and it's very much worth exploring also, from historic and divided cities to ancient archaeological sites to beautiful beaches and charming mountain villages. As Europe's sunniest island, Cyprus is ideal for year-round vacations. We just embarked for 1 week in Cyprus. Greek and Roman history, culture, beautiful beaches and amazing food and shopping centers all together gives you an authentic Mediterranean experience. Today is our first day in Limassol and we are going to explore 3 places. One is Goddess Aphrodite Rock, Ladies Mile Sea Beach and the natural masterpiece Love Bridge, which is in Ayanapa. Hope you will enjoy this video and keep watching until end. So let's start. This is the birthplace of Goddess Aphrodite. Following the legend, the rock located on the beach, here she came with one seashell. When you park your car, there is an underpass, the main street to coast. You can access it next to the shop in the parking spot. This is a pebble-filled beach filled with smooth rocks. The place where the Greek goddess of love, beauty and passion was born according to legends. It is huge rock located off the shore, surrounded by beautiful beaches and crystal clear water. Legends also tells that when someone swim around Aphrodite rock, they will have eternal youth, beauty and they will find the love of their life. You wanna try? Then move. Aphrodite Mountain. The name of this beach is Ladies Mile Beach, and this name was received from the governor of the British rule, which used to travel on the beach. The beach on the Akrotiri Peninsula, along its eastern side between the new port of Limassol and the British military base of Akrotiri. The length of the beach Ladies Mile is 5 km. It is a soft sand beach and clear water, as you see. This beach you can only get by car. A lot of parking spaces here. This place name is Ayanapa, and this bridge name is Love Bridge. This is one of the must-see place. The most amazing natural beauty in Cyprus. The Breeze of the Lover, it is a masterpiece of the best creator nature. This picturesque particular spot is very popular with photographers and honeymooners due to the romanticism inspired by the location. It is a magical spot in the Ayanapa where the sea meets the land in a magnificent way. A natural breeze that has been standing there for centuries and now it is named Love Breeze, the breeze of loved one. Yeah, looking nice to jump in the water from the breeze. That is the end of our today's episode. Hope meet you next episode. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching and keep in touch.